Welcome to our new video tutorial on finite and non-finite verbs in English grammar. This video will help you understand the basic differences between finite and non-finite verbs using clear examples to illustrate these concepts. Let's begin by explaining what finite verbs are in this tutorial. Finite verbs in English grammar are action words that show actions or states in a sentence. They are verbs that change their form depending on the tense, person, and number of the subject. Finite verbs are essential for constructing complete and meaningful sentences. Finite verbs have a distinctive structure that sets them apart from non-finite verbs, marking an important grammatical distinction. A finite verb is a verb form that has a subject and shows tense, person, and number. Here are 5 example sentences to demonstrate the use of finite verbs. From these examples, we notice that altering the person, number, or tense results in changes to the finite verbs used in each sentence. In this example, the subject Sarah is in the singular form and is in the third person. If you switch the subject to the second person, the finite verb sings will transform into its singular form, sing. In this revised sentence, the subject, Sarah, has been replaced with the subject, you, representing the second person. Now that we have learned about finite verbs, let's explore non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs in English grammar are verbs that don't show tense, person, or number. They remain in their base or root form, and they're used differently than finite verbs. It is important to note that a finite verb describes an action whereas non-finite verb form plays the role of other parts of speech. Non-finite verbs can play different roles in a sentence, like working as gerunds or infinitives. This wraps up our video tutorial on finite and non-finite verbs. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on English grammar topics. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing now. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section. See you in the next video. Be well and stay safe.